Hello everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial about the Pro Radio WordPress theme. What we are going to see today is how to create a brand new page with Elementor and the Pro Radio theme for radio stations. So this is the page which we created the other day, and today we are going to create a brand new template. The theme that we are using is the Pro Radio WordPress theme, which is available from the page pro.radio. This is the most professional WordPress theme for radio station, completely dynamic and update with autopilot. So it's excellent for any radio station because we know how much time you need to update a radio station website, and this theme offers all the functionalities you need to make this as quickly as possible. So let's go to create a new homepage for our demo radio station. All of the contents are already inside of our database, so we start with a good database of events, videos, podcasts, team members, radio shows, and similar, which are already here and are going to be used dynamically with the Elementor widgets included with the Pro Radio WordPress theme. What we need to do is simply to go on the pages, create a new page. So let's give it a title. Home 03, choose the template, page Visual Composer, create and publish. Then let's go to Elementor. Here we go. Then this is the interface, how it looks like. We have the navigator, which is useful if you have so many sections that are hard to navigate. And on the left side, we have all of the widgets added by the Pro Radio theme for WordPress. These ones with the red icons you see, which are custom widgets that are not part of the default Elementor part, which is here below. Then you optionally can install Elementor Pro. This is not required by the theme, is something you can do if you want, but Pro Radio already comes with a huge amount of extra widgets for radio stations. So the page that we are going to do is going to be not too much complex. Is going to show the current and upcoming shows, and is going to show the current song title and artwork. We are going to have a little magazine section, which is very important for the radio stations, and we are going to display some music charts. Optionally, we can add a gallery and probably some featured events. Events can be not only like real events like concerts and stuff like this, but why not making an event with a countdown that people can put on their Google Calendar with a click from Pro Radio and promote the next upcoming good show on your radio station. So let's go on. First of all, we want to show which is the current speaker going on in your radio station. So let's look for on air, and we have show on air. Let's just drop in, and this creates a banner with a current show. Let's put it full width. Here we go. Then remove even the padding from the column, and let's edit the height of this show. So about 600 pixels, it's okay. Bit vertical padding, horizontal padding, let's put it very nicely centered. Here we go. Responsive mode, check. iPad mode, we can make it higher. Here we go. So this is the current show on your radio station, dynamically taken from your schedule. So you don't need to manually go here and change the show every hour. This is automatic in autopilot. So next step, what are we going to put here? Let's put some nice section caption. Here we go. Section caption. Colors, black gray, and purple. Perfect. Desktop mode. Here we go, intro text. Bit padding. Here we go. Colors we will fix later. Then what we are going to put here? Let's put a nice post mosaic, and underneath we can create an inner section or brand new section with 3 columns, for instance. Or there are so many widgets to create a magazine that is unbelievable. So I find myself sometimes very curious about testing new possibilities, new type of design that you can easily create with this type of structure. So you have a nice widget with the latest posts. Then we can put on the right side, why not, some sponsors? Sponsors which you worked hard to get for your radio station and can be easily placed everywhere on your sidebars, on your homepage, on every page you want with shortcodes or with Elementor. So here we have our sponsors. Then we put, for instance, a category grid. Here we go. Or we can even put 1 per row. And you can choose which categories you want to have by ID. So here we can put like this, or we can do something. Delete it from here. Put this here. Put this here. Then we put a featured post here. No arrows, no dots, just like this. And why not adding a button? Get noticed, and a button saying become a sponsor. Button link, you could just mark, you're going to put your own link. Primary style, and even bigger. Here we go. Let's reduce a little bit the space. Give space to this one. Magazine section ready. So after this, why not talking a little bit about music? So let's make a cool section. Oops, not a template, but section like this. Style, background. Let's make good picture background. Let's choose some nice picture. For instance, let's see what we have already in our database. Let's go with this one. And in the overlay, we can put a gradient like this. This, then we can put some padding. Here we go. And let's just copy this, put it here, edit section, top tracks. So with ProRadio, you can easily add everywhere music charts which people can vote and upvote and downvote, so you know what people likes from your radio station, and the charts can be automatically updated based on the people votes. So we can put the charts inside here just by doing like this. And we have very good oversized chart, or we can do something like this. Put an inner section, 3 columns, edit this chart. You can choose a chart or it will just show you the last one, and you can use the compact style, then put it here. Edit the column, remove the padding so we have a little bit more space. Edit chart. You can choose the caption size if you want. If you don't have so much space, you can choose the size of the captions. Depending on the style of music, this is very important because some styles have very long titles. So you can show the chart title, featured image, the link, and how many tracks you want to show. So this is a long chart. Let's say we just want to show 5. Oops, no, sorry, this was not it. 5. And let's put back the title. Then the color is not right here. So what we do is edit section, typography, and choose white. Text color. Here we go. Here, what we want here is to have also the caption color white. So if you meet some element which has its own styling and you cannot change it, for instance this one, pretty easy to fix, because what we are going to do is change this, hide the title, and add our own. Just put a caption. Negative colors, and let's add an animation. All of these captions you can always choose the effect you want, change the colors. And if you want, you can make them negative. Here we go. Edit the background overlay a little bit. Swap the angle so it comes nicely blended with the titles. Edit caption, let's put a negative margin like we did before, so it sticks more. And here you can choose the chart you want. Here we go. Last but not least, we are going to see how to end up our page. Let's go with, oh yes, events. We can put an events section. Here we go. 3 events, upcoming, automatically hide the old events if you want, and a load more button if you want to load more events. Now we don't have many to show, so it's not loading, or in Elementor as well, the load more is inhibited for performance reasons. So as last section, as call to action for our radio station, we can create a nice player section with full width section, including a nice background. So style, background. Let's get this other background. Our internal padding is 120 for this demo. Then let's put some background overlay, and we can paste the style better. Oops, paste style. Here we go. Put back our nice picture. The picture is this one. Then we are going to build a player inside of this space using the custom player. This is a super powerful widget. You can even replace this player bar across every page and create your own player, sticky, whatever you want. So you can put a background to the player, but now we are going to just make it transparent. First of all, let's make a big play button. So very big, round. Let's say play the radio. Here we go. You can delete the height, so it gets automatically set based on the size of your elements. Then we have the song information. Yes, display the song title. What we are going to do is max width and automatic width of the whole player. We can also make the design vertical. So how we do that? Vertical design. This is going to go like this. Then in the song information, let's go for the center alignment. And let's change the size. Let's edit a little bit the column, or you can even maybe yes, background color. Let's add a border. So we add some border of 12 pixels. We add some padding, 40 pixels padding. Some border radius to the player. Here we go. Nice and smooth. And here we go. If you want, you can even manage some box shadow. And finally, we can close with the last section of sponsors. And here we go. Let's add some shape divider, like we have on other demo pages of this Pro Radio website demo. So it blends more nicely. Now look at this trick. We make the gradient go into a solid color. Then we copy this color, edit the next section, and create a top shape divider of the same color. Here we go. Let's update. Check out how it comes in mobile. Now this we need to check the right settings for mobile. Every single parameter can be changed for the mobile view. If you want, you can also display the song artwork, but we are not using this right now. And our mobile version is almost there. Probably too much 40 for mobile, so let's go with 30. Let's make these columns a little bit separated for mobile. Let's add some padding around. It can be 10 pixels or around, or 20. I suspect was not really the right column, because this is. And here we go. In mobile, we go for a 90 pixel spacing, as we did the other sections. Sponsor carousel stays well even without arrows and things. We can go with 2 items per row in mobile, or even 3 if you want. Then we switch to tablet, fix the player for tablet, automatic height, song information, it's really too big, so we go for a 40 pixel. Here we go with a brand new homepage demo for your radio station included in the Pro Radio WordPress theme.